Sai Ram children, welcome to online session. So you all are ready, right? And ready with your writing material, that is your book, pen, pencil and all. So today we will do Active English chapter 4. Chapter 4, finish the sentences using these words. So here we have to finish the sentences using these words. Here one table is given. And in this table you have two sides, two columns. First column you have the words when, until, before. So we have to use the words from first column when, until, before. And other side we have we reach the top of the hill. The bus comes. Someone opens the door. The clock says 4 o'clock. You play with it. She gets the letter. It rains. And the last one is you fall out of the boat. So from the table we have to choose the words and finish the sentences. And the words are from first column take when, until, before. Other side we reach the top of the hill. The bus comes. Someone opens the door. The clock says 4 o'clock. You play with it. She gets the letter. It rains. You fall out of the boat. First one. And children, here we are having picture also. So this picture is a hint or clue which will help us to find the answers. First one. She will be very pleased. Dash. So what we have to do? Here what is given? Letter. Envelope. We can see an envelope. So in the envelope we know there is letter. Right? We keep letters in the envelope. So or we post the letters or we put it in the envelope. She will be very pleased when she gets the letter. So answer is she will be very pleased when she gets the letter. So same way, with the help of the picture, we have to find the answers. They are like a hint. He cannot go home. And look at the picture. We can see a boy waiting at the bus stop or waiting for the bus to come. So he cannot go home. From this side, which word will come? Until. He cannot go home until the bus comes. So answer is he cannot go home until the bus comes. So from one side, first side, we are choosing the word until, and other side the bus comes. So the answer is he cannot go home until the bus comes. Next one. I will go inside. Dash. So you can look at the picture. The door is closed. So she is waiting at the door. You look at the picture. So answer is I will go inside when it is when. Yes children. And other side what will come? When someone opens the door. So answer is I will go inside when someone opens the door. I will go inside when someone opens the door. So from the table we have to choose the words. Next one. They will not leave the room. And look at the picture which is a clue. It is a clock and you can see the time is nearing 4 o'clock. So they will not leave the room until the clock says 4 o'clock. They will not leave the room until the clock says 4 o'clock. So this is the way we have to finish the sentences from the table given. They will not leave the room until the clock says 4 o'clock. The dog will not go away. See dog. Dog is playing. The dog will not go away until you play with it. The dog will not go away until you play with it. So the answer is the dog will not go away until you play with it. I think we will go home. And look at the picture. We can see clouds raining. So I think we will go home before, yes children, choose. It rains. I think we will go home before it rains. So the answer is I think we will go home before it rains. Please sit down, dash. Now look at the picture. We can see a boat, small boys. So please sit down before you fall out of the boat. Answer is please sit down before you fall out of the boat. Please sit down, yes children, before you fall out of the boat. And next, we will rest. And you can look at the picture. The boys, they are climbing the hill. See, they are trying to climb. So we will rest when we reach the top of the hill. We will rest when we reach the top of the hill. So the answer is we will rest when we reach the top of the hill. So in this activity 1, what we have done, we have to finish the sentences from the table. So one side the words are when, until, before, and other side we have to choose according to the hint. Now second part. Write sentences beginning with this is a and using whose. So here what we have to do, we have to begin the sentence with this is a and using whose. First one. This girl's shirt is purple. Whose shirt is purple? Girl's shirt is purple. And what we have to do, we have to begin sentence with this is. So first thing you have to keep in mind, begin sentence with this is. This is a and whose. So answer is this is a girl whose shirt is purple. So begin the sentence. This is a girl whose shirt is purple. And always keeping in mind that the first letter is capital and ending the sentence with a full stop. Next one. This girl's hair is short. Whose hair is short? Girl's hair is short. Whose hair is short? Girl's hair is short. And what we have to do? We have to begin the sentence with this is a. So we will write the answer. This is a girl whose hair is short. This is a girl whose hair is short. And where we are using whose? Where it is showing belongingness. That is apostrophe s. When we show belongingness, girls, apostrophe s. Whose hair? Girl's hair. And keeping in mind that you have to begin the sentence with this is a. So this is a girl whose hair is short. Next, this woman's hair is long. Whose hair is long? Woman's hair. So where we will use, start the sentence, begin with this is a. Answer is this is a woman whose hair is long. This is a woman whose hair is long. So first thing, begin the sentence with this is a. This is a woman whose hair is long. Where we are using whose? Woman's hair. So whose hair is long. This man's car has been stolen. Whose car has been stolen? Man's car. Whose car? Man's car. So what we have to do? Begin the sentence with this is a. This is a man whose car has been stolen. This is a man whose car has been stolen. This is a man whose car has been stolen. So beginning with this is a. This is a man whose car has been stolen. And keeping in mind end the sentence with a full stop. Next. This girl's doll is broken. This girl's doll is broken. Whose doll? Girl's doll. So, we have to begin the sentence with this is a girl whose doll is broken. This is a girl whose doll is broken. So, where we are using whose? Where it is belongingness. Whose doll? Girls. This is a girl whose doll is broken. This boy's face is dirty. Whose face? Boy's face. So where we are using whose? Belongingness. Where it is? Apostrophe S. Boy's face. So what we have to do? Begin the sentence with this is a. This is a boy whose face is dirty. This is a boy whose face is dirty. This sailor's ship has sunk. This sailor's ship has sunk. Whose ship it is? Sailors. Whose ship? Sailors. So, sailors. Where will be using here? Whose? So, the answer is this is a sailor whose ship has sunk. Begin the sentence with this is a sailor whose ship has sunk. And here you have to write this on your own. So dash is given. Full answer you are going to write. This is a sailor whose ship has sunk. This man's car runs smoothly. Whose car? Man's car. So answer will be this is a man whose car runs smoothly. This is a man whose car runs smoothly. So what we have to do here? Begin the sentence with this is a. This is a man whose car runs smoothly. And with a punctuation mark, that is full stop. So what we have done here? Two activities. One is completing the table with the words given. And here now sentence we have to write beginning with this is a and using whose. So thank you children. Revise both the activities, chapter 4 and we will conclude here. Thank you children. Take good care of yourself.